is up, guys? Robopolis566 here. Peacekeepers, actually. I'm gonna be doing a gun review on a gun, and I just got my camera to work for full screen. There may be little edges of TV screen, but I've got it worked out just enough so the quality is good, and I got my mic. Turn down the volume because it is really loud, and you guys probably won't be able to hear me. So, yeah, we're gonna be looking at the gun. The Rose, I think was. Hold on 1 second, guys. Gotta fix the camera because this camera is being stupid already. Very sorry for this, but hopefully that quality is good. Alright, hopefully you guys can see. We are going to be looking at, we're going to be looking at operator classes first. Guns. We are going to be looking at, I don't got anything else opened up for that, so let's kind of do this. Because this is the best gun right here, so I guess we're going to be looking at the m16a3, guys. So yeah, m16a3. I have the attachments for it. Attachments, it's an extended magazine with a PO 3.5x scope. And I have a regular grip because I still need to get, I am so close. And the barrel, I'd probably go for this. I would say this one. Accuracy though. Heavy barrel, actually. Yeah, we're going heavy barrel, guys. Heavy barrel. So, yeah. Now we just gotta wait. Actually,